Hey peeps, okay, so we're going to be going over arrays. Arrays can be a little bit complex to understand, so I'm going to try and go over it best I can here to get a basic idea at least of how this works. Now, I just basically copied this off of the official Squirrel which is what vscripts is based off of. So this first one here, you can see that it has this left bracket and this right bracket. Now, the difference between this one and the other one, this other one is called a curly bracket, and that one is used for scopes and stuff. But this one is used to tell it that this is going to be an array. So you see there's these different types here. This first one here, it's separated with commas, so we could do hello, world, and we could do 5. So it doesn't have to be a string. That's one of the things about this language, is that it doesn't restrict cast types like other languages do. So that's really kind of useful in some cases and kind of just not so great in others. So what we've done here is create a variable called a, and we can go ahead and do print line. Yeah, let's just do it like that. Okay, let's just do it like this. Is 0, just like that. Okay, so what does this do? So A is the variable name here, and it's a type of array. And these regular, like line brackets, these mean that this is going to be an array type. And so in this specific context here, we're telling it we want to get what is at index 0 in the variable array A. So at index 0, we have hello. We start at 0, and then we go to 1, and then we go to 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and just keep going up and up and up. So if I print this, whoops, it will print hello to the console. As you can see, hello. All right, good. And if we change this to a 1, you'll see it'll print world. Boom, world. And then if I change this to 2, you'll see that it'll print 5. Boom, 5. Okay, so this is used for indexing which one we want to access. So what happens if we go out of bounds here? What if I do 3? Well, now it's going to throw an error message because we are out of bounds of our array. It says the index 3 does not exist. So it's basically telling us that the index at 3, it's not valid. So that would throw an error. So arrays have lots of different uses and stuff, and we'll go over that. But for now, I want to go over the different ways we can declare here. Next one here, local B. Local B is equal to null. This is basically saying we have a null array. There's nothing in it. Which I believe is just essentially the same as doing this. I usually just do this. So that would mean that we're declaring an array, but there's nothing inside of this array. And we can go ahead and do other things with that, which we'll show in a minute. And this last thing here, it's not a type of array declaration. It's just it shows that we're at 0 index for B. We're setting that equal to what the value of A2 is. So our A2 would be 5. So that would mean that B index 0 would be set to 5. So not too complex to understand here. Let's see. don't know if I want to go over over push and pop and all that. I think I might do that in a more advanced tutorial, showing different things once you start to learn the other stuff, you know, put everything together, start to use things, find out uses, all that stuff works together. I think for now we'll keep it simple. So I don't think we're going to be going over the other parts in this. I think we're just going to keep this as it is. This very, you know, basic. This is already things that are assigned here, but we can also add things into the array dynamically and make lists and all kinds of stuff, which we'll show later, which is really cool. But for now, we're going to go ahead and end this here because we want to keep this short. So we'll go ahead and end it here, peeps.